Prepare for takeoff.
It's fine because it still works from wherever, but the kids go up there for about a whole month in the summer because they live on about 100 acres of land, so they just run and play and they're barefoot and barely clothed and yeah. So my mom just wants them to be around more for that.
Right.
So one day.
My husband's looking at like maybe 3 years. It's not too much longer.
So my husband just retired. It'll be a year in November from the army, but he still works. He's not even 40. He's not allowed to be retired for real.
Yeah, my husband always is, well, he's 58, so like 61, and he's 62.
Yeah. I think my dad's 62 right now.
But we still have this one in college until 2021, and we need a couple years to
Yeah. How long are you gonna be in Tampa?
Not long. I almost missed off because one of her friends got the virus. Yep. So Alyssa was tested and she was negative. She just told me yesterday.